Turn my phone face down again. Let the city fade to gray. Every screen was pulling me further from the day. The buildings close like heavy walls. Voices overlap. Every word feels louder, but something's missing in the gaps. So I walk away without a sound. Just need a place where I can hear myself now. Take me where the noise can't follow, where the air is slow and wide, where the sky doesn't rush tomorrow and the river doesn't hide. I don't need a grand escape, just somewhere I can breathe. Let the wind untangle all the restless parts of me. No mirrors made of neon lights, no hurry in my chest. Just sunlight on an open field and silence doing its best. Trees don't ask for anything, they don't pretend or try. They stand in quiet honesty. Beneath an open sky, I lay down on steady ground and let the quiet pull me back around. Take me where the noise can't follow, where the mornings start in gold, where the water keeps on moving, but it never feels too cold. I don't need to disappear, I just need to see who I am without the pressure of who I have to be. Let the birds speak softly, let the daylight stay, let the city spin without me for just one day. Take me where the noise can't follow, where my heart can slow its pace, where the world is wide and simple, and there's time enough for grace. I'll come back when I'm ready, clearer than before, but for now I choose the quiet.